This video is going to get noisy in sound, right? But until this moment. In this video, I'll teach you not only how to reduce your sound noise of your videos, but also how to enhance the vocal equalizer in the best possible way in your footages in Adobe Premiere. So, stay with me till the end and like and subscribe to my content if you're enjoying it. Let's get into it.
Hello to my beautiful audio enthusiasts out there. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm about to edit a raw footage of one of my sessions before applying any of those enhancers inside Premiere, and edit that footage inside Premiere step by step with you. Okay, so this is a footage that I'm about to edit. Okay guys, so this is a good example that what exactly I'm talking about. So this video says, I can't believe this game is free from Holo. Let's be honest guys, the audio quality inside this video is not good at all, but don't worry, I got you. We're going to make it better, enhance it step by step inside Adobe Premiere. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're gonna open Premiere and then drag this footage inside in here. So import it, yes. Zoom it in a little bit, just about right. So this is the default ambient of Premiere. You can get into the effect section with either of these two ways. Just click this little two arrows and then click effects. This is the effect section. Or if your Adobe Premiere is like this, you can click effects easily up in here. So for the purpose of reducing the audio noise, you want to open audio effects, and inside noise reduction restoration, open that and expand it as well, and then open effect called denoise. Just drag it inside your audio. You will see that this section has been added. So drag the mouse down a little bit, denoise, costume setup. Just click on edit. This is the control panel of denoise. You don't want to drag the amount section all the way up to 100 because it might have some bad effects on your own audio. What I found perfectly fine for my voice was 40, but you can tweak it in the best possible way for your own voice. So this is a good example. As you can see, it is removing my background noise drastically, and it improves the quality in terms of reducing background noise. That way better. So this was the first step. For the second step, you want to open filter and EQ, abbreviated for equalizer. Just scroll down to see parametric equalizer, drag it inside your audio section as well, and then boom, it is added parametric equalizer. So you want a costume setup, click edit, and then this section will pop up. This is the default setting. So this video says, I can't believe this game is free from Holo. And so but we're gonna click on it and just select vocal enhancer. This will just enhance your vocal equalizer drastically, guys. Believe me, this is just like a miracle. This video says, I can't believe this game is free from Holo. And then by clicking on it and open it, I just found like the best way that it works for me. That would be something like this. Inside the description, you can like tweak it as much as you can. Just play with all these little dots, and you will see that it says subscribe and then a link in front of it. So by clicking on it, you will see a pop-up comes up on your face and says, are you sure you want to subscribe to? Like, there is no better way to edit your audios and tweak them as much as you can. And I found these little settings perfectly fine for my audio. And after you've done all of these things, you just want to press file, export your footage. Easy as pie, guys. This was this tutorial for editing your audio inside Premiere. Please like this video because you might need this sometime later, and then please subscribe to my channel because I'm a small YouTuber. I need your support so much, and thank you guys so much for dedicating your time to my video and watching this video. Please take care of yourself and see you in the next one, and peace out, guys.